हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है यश और आप देख रहे हैं एम पी स्टडी नॉलेज। एम पी एस सी 2019 मेंस जीएस फर्स्ट जनरल स्टडी फर्स्ट पेपर। ये है 15 क्वेश्चन इंटू 3 मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू 45। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थ्री थर्मिडोरियन रिएक्शन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन बिल्स ऑफ राइट 1689 एनक्लोजर मूवमेंट। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऋग्वेदिक पंचन जन। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन वासुबंधु। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन मौर्य काल के तीर्थ ट्रेटिस इन इन मौर्य पीरियड अनवर ए सुहेली दस्तक सिस्टम उलगन। टेंथ क्वेश्चन है शंकर शाह। 11th भीम नायक। 12th JVP कमिटी शिवनी सत्याग्रह टूरिया। 14 क्वेश्चन भूमरा का मंदिर भूमरा टेम्पल। 15 बाग केव्स बाग की गुफाएं। और सेकंड पार्ट है 10 क्वेश्चन से इंटू 6 मार्क्स के इज इक्वल टू 60। फर्स्ट है हाउ डिड मंगोल इन्फ्लुएंस यूरोपियन रिनेसेंस एक्सप्लेन इन ब्रीफली। इवैल्यूएशन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी of William Caesar for First World War. Evaluation of role of Bimbasar in rises of Magadha. Fourth question है how did Noorjahan influence the politics of her time? Explain. Fifth question criticize the examine the impact of British ruler over Indian industry and trades. Sixth question है revival the reason of the reaction of tribals against British rule in the light of tribal revolution. Seventh है how did the Indian Renaissance support the discovery of Asian Indian history? Explain. Eighth है throw light on the geographical location of Madhya Bharat state of form after the independence. British rule increased poverty in India. Review the statement in light of the fact. Next question है 10th write a short note of Malwa Utsav. 11 describe the silence feature of Udaygiri caves located in Madhya Pradesh. 12th question discuss the region and culture signification of Amarkantak. Next है 3 question है 50 marks के is equals to 45. Discuss the feature of renaissance or describe the political consequences of Second World War. Second question है describe the economical condition of the Harappa civilization or describe the development of science and technology in Gupta period. Third question है evaluate the achievement of Chandel ruler Vidyadhar or analyze the reason of for launch of क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट। GS1 का सेक्शन बी स्टार्ट होता है। 15 क्वेश्चन है 3 मार्क्स के इज इक्वल्स टू 45। फर्स्ट है इंडिया इज डिवाइडेड इन हाउ मैनी जोग्राफिकल डिवीजन। राइट द नेम ऑफ द जोग्राफिकल डिवीजन। सेकंड राइट द नेम ऑफ टॉप 3 स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इन टर्म ऑफ पॉपुलेशन साइज। थर्ड राइट द नेम ऑफ टॉप 3 कॉपर producing state of the India. Fourth, write the name of the place of origin of Chambal River. Fifth, write the name of 3 petroleum producing area of India. Sixth, what is unfavorable factor of development of canal irrigation in Madhya Pradesh. Seventh, write the name of the 3 major crop of Madhya Pradesh in term of area. Eighth, what is food processing industry? Give example. Ninth, what is natural disaster? Give example. 10th, write main measurement of control of soil erosion. 11, write name of highest peak of Satpura mountain range with its height. 12th, write the name of major sugar cane producing district of Madhya Pradesh. 13, write the name of 2 districts of Madhya Pradesh which have the lowest literacy rate. 14. Write the impurities in drinking water. 16. What is the essential geographical condition for the agriculture of cotton? सेकेंड पार्ट चालू होता है. 10 क्वेश्चन 6 मार्क्स के इज इक्वल टू 16. फर्स्ट, राइट अबाउट द फेवरेबल कंडीशन फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कर्सर ट्रोपोलॉजी. Second, what is the contribution of jet stream in the effectively of southwest monsoon? Describe the area affected by the soil erosion in India. Write about the major problem of drying farming in India. Fifth, give the brief account on the regional pattern intensity of the population in Madhya Pradesh. Sixth, write the note on the variability of rainfall in Madhya Pradesh. Seventh, give a brief account of the major soybean producing area of Madhya Pradesh. 8. Describe in brief about the manganese producing area of Madhya Pradesh. 9. Divide Madhya Pradesh into physical division and write a note on geographical characteristic of Malwa Plateau. 10th, write the regional distribution of Vindhya system rock in India. 11. Give an account of a cement industry in Madhya Pradesh. 12th, write a note on the Bhuj earthquake 2011. Third part, 3 question 50 marks is equals to 45. Compare the drainage pattern of North and South India, or discuss the new techniques used in irrigation of prudent use of water. Second, describe the agro-based industry in Madhya Pradesh, or mention the principle of disaster management and analyze the measure for the relief and rehabilitation in disaster management. Third, describe the distribution of scheduled tribes in Madhya Pradesh, or what is the causes of origin of tsunami? Analyze the landscape of and effect of Indian tsunami 2004. Like, share and subscribe.